Today, we're talking about an amazing tool that's been making waves, Crayo. So let's get into it. Crayo is an AI-powered video creation tool designed to help users effortlessly make viral short videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and more. With Crayo, anyone can turn their ideas into captivating videos in seconds using advanced artificial intelligence. Crayo is the fastest way to create high-quality short videos at scale. The platform leverages cutting-edge AI to automate every part of the short video creation process. Users simply input their prompt or idea, and Crayo's algorithms generate scripts, add background videos and music, narrate videos with synthetic voices, add effects and captions, and export the final clips. This revolutionary tool allows creators, businesses, and marketers to produce an unlimited amount of viral short videos in minutes, without any technical skills required. Crayo reduces the video creation process from hours to just seconds. Crayo boasts a range of features designed to elevate your creative projects. Here's a rundown of its key features. AI-powered design generation, automated design creation. Input a few details about your project, and Crayo generates unique design elements, visuals, or even full layouts tailored to your needs. The AI offers design suggestions based on current trends and your specific requirements, helping you brainstorm and refine ideas quickly. Customizable templates. Access a diverse library of templates for various purposes, including social media posts, marketing materials, presentations, modify templates to fit your style, and branding with user-friendly editing tools. Intuitive user interface. Easily add, remove, or rearrange design elements using a straightforward drag-and-drop interface. Access a range of tools and features without a steep learning curve, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. Customize voice narrators. Choose from a range of AI voice narrators to add a professional touch to your videos. Personalizing the narrator can greatly influence how your message is received. These features make Crayo a powerful tool for creatives looking to streamline their design process, enhance collaboration, and produce high-quality visual content. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, Crayo removes all the painful manual work typically required to make compelling short videos. The platform automates editing, stitching visuals, and adding effects so you can go from idea to complete viral video in no time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your creativity. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember, unlock your creative power